cause of eye redness is allergic conjunctivitis. Allergic conjunctivitis is because of exposure to allergen, generally occurs in those with the allergic tendency. The difference between the infective conjunctivitis, viral conjunctivitis and allergic conjunctivitis, the previous one was contagious, whereas allergic conjunctivitis is not contagious and it has got seasonal variation. It requires treatment with anti-allergic and sometimes steroids be given and requires ophthalmologist consultation. So other common cause which causes redness is dry eyes. Dry eyes can sometimes, because of decreased tear secretion, sometimes there need not be decreased tear secretion, but tear secretion will be normal, but still some patients develop dry eye because of their work atmosphere, particularly those who work in computers for prolonged period of time. Because of increased evaporation of the tear films and infrequent blinking, eyes become dry. In those patients, they require lubricant eye drops, and they have to take short breaks in between. They have to shift the focus from the computer. At least once in half an hour, they have to shift from the focus and give rest to the eye muscles. Need immediate treatment and frequent follow-up with ophthalmologist. Corneal ulcers. Sometimes after injury, patient can develop ulcers over the cornea, and glaucoma. There can be inflammation of the eyeball, like it can be in any part of the eye. It can be in the white portion of the eye, which is called as sclera, we call it as scleritis, or any internal structure of the eye can get inflamed, can all manifest as redness. But in all these conditions, redness is associated with other symptoms like pain, blurred vision. Sometimes pain can be so severe, and glaucoma pain can be so severe, patient can have associated nausea, vomiting. Decreased vision will be there, increased sensitivity to light, and severe gritty sensation. So few important points when anybody gets redness is never rub your eyes. Don't try to use self-medication or over-the-counter medications, because sometimes over-the-counter medications can worsen certain conditions. So whenever you develop redness, better to consult an ophthalmologist and leave the rest to them. They'll take care of your eyes. Thank you.